Hey there! Today, whether you want to save battery life or manage your data usage better, knowing how to turn automatic data sync on and off is really handy. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that on your Xiaomi phone. Let's get started. First, grab your Xiaomi phone and open up the Settings app. Then, scroll down a bit until you find Accounts and Sync and tap on it. Next, look for the Auto Sync Data option right here. Now, if you want all your data to sync automatically, toggle this on. However, keep in mind this could use up your internet data and battery. If you prefer, you can toggle it off. But if you do turn it off, remember you will need to manually sync your data by tapping the Sync Now button here. And that's it! You have now learned how to manage automatic data synchronization on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Subscribe to the channel for lots more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!